Hello and welcome back to our channel. For the next few days we're exploring the city of Prague, the enchanting capital of the Czech Republic, where fairy tale architecture meets vibrant culture. This stunning city, known as the City of 100 Spires, is a blend of history, art, and breathtaking views, making it a must-visit destination for travelers around the globe. Prague deserves your attention for its rich heritage, charming cobblestone streets, and captivating skyline. As you explore, you'll discover that every corner of this city tells a story, from its medieval past to its dynamic present. In this video, we'll dive into fun facts, the best times to visit, top attractions, and sustainability practices. We'll also cover responsible tourism tips, budget-friendly options, culinary experiences, and what makes traveling here uniquely special. Historically, Prague has been a pivotal center for culture and politics in Central Europe. Nestled on the banks of the Vltava River, the city boasts a diverse demographic, with a vibrant mix of locals and tourists. Its stunning Gothic and Baroque architecture reflects centuries of history, while its cultural scene continues to thrive. Did you know that Prague is home to the oldest working astronomical clock in the world? Or that the Charles Bridge, adorned with 30 statues, has been a crossing point since the 14th century? These fun facts just scratch the surface of what makes this city so intriguing. Join us as we embark on historical and heritage tours that bring ancient ruins and iconic landmarks to life. Engage with local stories and discover how the events of the past have shaped the present-day charm of this beautiful city. As we venture deeper, you'll uncover unique discoveries, from picturesque parks to hidden cafes, along with local cuisine that tantalizes the taste buds. Insights and anecdotes from locals truly capture the essence of Prague, revealing the city's hidden gems and rich traditions that often go unnoticed by tourists. And of course, we'll reveal the most breathtaking spot in Prague, the stunning view from Prague Castle, where you can take in the sweeping vistas of the city, a sight that will leave you in awe. Now, let's dive into the top 10 attractions in Prague. First up is Prague Castle, a magnificent complex that has stood for over a millennium, offering stunning views and rich history. Next, the Charles Bridge is a must-see, adorned with statues and bustling with artists and musicians. Don't miss the historic Old Town Square, home to the famous astronomical clock and vibrant street life. Then, wander through the charming streets of Malá Strana, known for its picturesque architecture. The Jewish Quarter, with its poignant history and beautiful synagogues, is another key stop. Explore the National Museum, where Czech culture and history are brought to life, showcasing a diverse range of exhibits and artifacts. Visit St. Vitus Cathedral in Prague Castle, where beautiful stained glass and stone carvings showcase the city's architecture. For art lovers, the Docks Center for Contemporary Art is a unique spot, showcasing innovative exhibitions and thought-provoking installations that challenge conventional views on modern art. Take a stroll through Wenceslas Square, a hub of history and modernity. Finally, unwind at Letná Park, where you can enjoy stunning views of the Vltava River. When it comes to culinary experiences, Prague is a food lover's paradise. Be sure to try traditional dishes like goulash and trdelník, and don't miss out on sampling Czech beer, renowned for its quality and flavor. Traveling on a budget? Here are some tips to help you save money while exploring new places. Prague offers budget options such as affordable stays, street food, and free tours to explore its rich history without overspending. From affordable accommodations in hostels or guest houses to inexpensive dining at local eateries, you can enjoy this city without breaking the bank. Many of the top attractions are free or have low entry fees, making it easy to explore on a budget. The best time to visit Prague is during the spring and early fall when the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller. During these seasons, you can enjoy various festivals and local events that add to the city's charm. Pack light to navigate public transportation with ease, look for flights during off-peak seasons, and familiarize yourself with local transit options to explore like a local. When visiting, remember to embrace travel etiquette, respect local customs, greet locals in Czech, and be mindful of quiet spaces, especially in churches and historical sites. What sets traveling to Prague apart is its blend of cultural significance and natural beauty. The city's atmosphere is both timeless and contemporary, providing experiences that deeply resonate with visitors on a personal level. Whether it's wandering through historic streets, enjoying modern art installations, or savoring local cuisine in cozy cafes, each corner invites exploration and connection with its rich culture and vibrant spirit. Sustainability and responsible tourism are increasingly important here. Many local businesses engage in eco-friendly practices, from using sustainable materials to supporting community initiatives. To be a responsible traveler, consider minimizing your environmental footprint, supporting local artisans, and choosing eco-friendly transportation options. As we recap, Prague's charm lies in its rich history, stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and vibrant culture. It's a destination that truly captures the heart and soul of Central Europe. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Prague. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment sharing your own experiences or favorite spots in this beautiful city. Don't forget to check out our other travel videos for more adventures around the globe.